Okay. Money more peanut butter crack dipped in butter. Get him today. What's up with it, baby? It's your boy Money Mouse right here. You know, to my EMG. Still standing. We in here. You know what I'm saying? I got my boy Yacht.
Y'all getting this bitch turned up, man. Turned up, man. Free my nigga Bing. Free my nigga Tank, man.
Free my nigga Bing, Lil Sam. RP Squirt. Keelan, all them boys, man. I'm doing it for y'all. Yak TV, we in the building. Okay, then.
It's cold in the motherfucker.
Anything else?
It's cold in the motherfucker.
What?
And I need some money.
You gotta say something?
Nah, Yak TV all day.
We out here thugging live at the LK. Me personally, I'm from Dallas, Texas, baby. You know what I'm talking about? Everything must go dead in the wheel when you fuck with a nigga like me.
Omaha and Atlanta.
Let me tell you
Northside, what's up?
Let me tell you about the squad. We got a squad coming so mean, you know. God been blessing me to put this squad together. You know, don't want to rush shit, but it's happening right here in your face. If they don't see it, they gonna hear about it. Or if they ain't heard about it, they know it. You know what I'm saying? And the best thing about that, they get better with time. You know, check out that new mixtape that's already in the streets. Everything Must Go, Volume 1. Crunch Time Volume 2 called Exposure. It's getting ready to come out, and that's for you niggas and loans, man. Cause I'm exposing motherfuckers. Be real about the shit. I'm tired of good bullshit. What me I got going? Got a lot of shit going, you know. Me and KO just hooked up, doing major things out here in these streets. One of the best rappers in Lawrence, Kansas. Don't forget about it.
You know who I be. You know what I'm saying? KO, One Code, you know what I'm saying? Stay true. You know, newest member of EMG. That's how we do it. Everything must go from the top to the bottom.
And they did.
You know what I'm saying? Squad still standing enterprise. That means we build an empire, dude. I'm just saying. We out here. Yak TV. Holla at your boy. We doing it.
Yeah.
All day, every day.
Let me show you something, boy, something real quick. It's cold in the bitch, but I be standing outside, making a whole bunch of noise. I'm too loud, smoking on that kush, and it's too loud. But my P.O., she gonna say she gonna send a nigga that rap. I can't stop. I be getting in like all day. Throwback jersey. And it's Kobe Bryant. Okay, I'ma eat the block like spaghetti. Put you boys to this test, cause I don't think you niggas ready. Pass my class? No, I'm the teacher that's gonna fail you. Don't give a fuck if you a success, I'll make you feel. Big dog, I'm hell. Raging through this game. And this Yak TV, EMG, and this still stain. Come on, man. Yeah. We're in the building, man.
Hey, I guess it's my turn. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm in this world, doing my thing. Never popping tags, but you know I'm the man. Call me Code 1. Yes, I'm the code. I don't give a fuck, cause you know I'm O. Yes, boy, I keeps it G. Too fucking real, boy, and you know who we be.
Yeah.
EMG, S3, still standing, we tall like G's. Standing on necks, boy, writing on checks. You know who I do, and you know I'm fresh. Every day, boy, I'm on the grind. I do my thizzle, man, and I always shine. I don't need haters, but I haters but me. You know I gotta eat, but you know I gotta eat. And if I don't eat, then I'm just stay hungry. I don't give a fuck, boy. You know I eat.
Get money all day, nigga. We stand on this shit. From Dallas, Texas, I've been hustling. Man of this shit. I ain't new to it. I'm true to it. So don't try to play me. I'll knock your ass out like you didn't pay your cable. Heavyweight, nigga. But I'm such of a small guy. So walk around the town like I'm such of a how top. These niggas can't fuck with me. I get them like outlaws. EMG still standing. That's for you big dogs. Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Yes.